Just when you thought it was safe to job hunt on OPT, Congressman Paul Gosar is calling your work permit a loophole and wants it shut down. He's even introduced a bill to terminate the entire OPT program, claiming it allows companies to fire Americans and hire international students instead. In August, Gosar said companies are abusing OPT to avoid payroll taxes and bring in foreign grads on the cheap. He even pointed to Amazon, Google, and the University of California as top OPT employers, accusing them of replacing Americans with inexpensive foreign talent. His bill, H.R. 2315, aims to permanently end OPT, arguing it was never formally approved by Congress and undermines young American STEM graduates. Online immigrant communities are panicking. One student on Reddit wrote, "If OPT dies, so does my career. No job means no H-1B, which means back to India." Another asked, "Do they even know what we go through? Tuition, housing, and now this?" And that's the reality. Over 100,000 international students, many from India, rely on OPT every year as their only bridge to work experience, career growth, and eventually an H-1B visa. Without it, future engineers, researchers, startup founders, and innovators lose their shot at contributing to the U.S. What should you do now? First, remember H.R. 2315 is just a bill, not a law. But it does have support from anti-immigrant groups. If you're on OPT, stay compliant, document everything, and don't take shortcuts. Universities and employers will likely push back, but your voice matters too. Call your representative, share your story, and protect your future. Are you on OPT right now? Drop a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to Immigration Talk Show for weekly breakdowns of immigration news.